To check mobile data usage on Redmi A5, all you simply have to do is first go into the settings. From here go for the network and internet, and here go into this internet. From here you'll have to go for more details of the mobile data, mobile network, and right here you can see the amount of data which has been used, but also as you scroll down, here you can find app data usage. As you go in there, here you can find the mobile data usage, and here you can select the period. You can see the total amount of data used in this particular period, and also right here you have the diagram, and here's the list of applications which were using the mobile data and the amount of this data. And additionally, if you select some application, like for example this Gboard, as you select it, you can see the total amount this application used the data, the foreground amount of data used, and the background amount of data used. And yeah, this is basically how to do this.